When the first cars appeared on the road, people yelled, "Get a horse!" Today, we generally embrace change, particularly when it makes life easier. That's why people are flocking to Goodway's Backpack CoilPro. When combined with Goodway's Coil Shine Cleaner, you get the cleanest coils ever. Battery power, water, and chemicals are all integrated in one tight mobile package, ready to go on a moment's notice. The CoilPro's 3 nozzles offer the versatility to tackle any job. No noxious fumes. An optional wand and nozzle makes it easy to apply chemical and rinse water from the fan side of the coil. Like the Model T 100 years ago, the Backpack CoilPro is the only way to travel.